YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of amazing outdoor lighting for backyard patio decor and top 10 popular choices for outdoor backyard and patio lighting ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for inspiring home decor and design ideas. Today, we delve into the realm of outdoor lighting, focusing specifically on patio illumination. Outdoor lighting for patios serves a dual purpose. It enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space while providing functional illumination for extended evenings of relaxation and entertainment. Join us as we shed light on the best lighting options for your patio and unveil 10 stunning ideas to create a captivating ambience. Exploring the meaning of outdoor lighting for patio. Outdoor lighting for patios encompasses the art of strategically illuminating your outdoor space to enhance its overall atmosphere and usability. It involves a thoughtful selection of lighting fixtures, placements, and styles that complement your patio's design while ensuring optimal visibility and safety. What is the best lighting for a patio? Selecting the best lighting for your patio depends on various factors, including your personal style, the patio's purpose, and the desired ambience. Let's explore some popular choices. 1. String lights. Create a whimsical and enchanting atmosphere with delicate strands of fairy lights gracefully suspended across your patio. 2. Pathway lights. Guide your guests through your outdoor haven with elegant pathway lights that offer both functionality and aesthetics. 3. Wall sconces. Add a touch of sophistication and elegance to your patio walls with stylish wall sconces that provide focused illumination. 4. Lanterns. Channel a rustic and cozy ambience by incorporating lanterns into your patio decor. Choose from a variety of styles, including traditional or contemporary designs. 5. Pendant lights. Make a bold statement with pendant lights that hang from your patio ceiling, creating a visually stunning centerpiece. 6. Floodlights. Ensure safety and security with bright floodlights strategically placed around your patio, illuminating the entire area. 7. Step lights. Enhance safety and add a touch of elegance by incorporating step lights into your patio stairs or elevated areas. 8. Landscape lights. Highlight the natural beauty of your patio surroundings by installing landscape lights that illuminate trees, plants, or architectural elements. 9. Solar-powered lights. Embrace sustainability by opting for solar-powered lights, which harness the sun's energy during the day to illuminate your patio at night. 10. Fire features. Combine lighting and warmth by incorporating fire features, such as fire pits or torches, into your patio design. These not only provide light but also create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. How many lumens do I need for an outdoor patio? Determining the ideal number of lumens for your outdoor patio depends on various factors, including the size of the space, the level of brightness desired, and the specific activities taking place. As a general guideline, aim for a total of 20 to 30 lumens per square foot to ensure adequate illumination without overpowering the space. However, you may adjust this based on your personal preferences and the specific ambience you wish to create. Which lights are suitable for exterior use? When selecting outdoor patio lights, it is essential to choose fixtures explicitly designed for exterior use. Look for lighting options that are labeled outdoor, weatherproof, or IP, ingress protection, rated. These lights are specifically built to withstand outdoor conditions, such as rain, wind, and extreme temperatures, ensuring their longevity and performance. By incorporating the right outdoor lighting into your patio design, you can transform your outdoor space into a magical retreat where you can unwind, entertain, and make lasting memories. From charming string lights to practical floodlights and everything in between, the possibilities are endless. Explore the various lighting options, unleash your creativity, and let your patio shine. Remember to visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring home decor and design ideas, including tips on outdoor lighting for patio and beyond. Illuminate your world, one patio at a time. It is enough for the basics, After this, we will provide you gallery of amazing outdoor lighting for backyard patio decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.